Did you know that China is the world's largest market for industrial robots? From manufacturing to agriculture, from healthcare to entertainment, Chinese robots are taking over every industry. How did this happen? What are the benefits and challenges of this robotic revolution? Let's learn more about them. China's status as a global leader in the field of industrial robotics is a fascinating story. The country's adoption of technology, driven by rising labour costs and demographic changes, has led to an increase in industrial robot density. The Chinese government's 5-year plan targets a robot density of 500 to 10,000 workers, a significant increase from 246 in 2020. Robots are machines that can do tasks by themselves or with human help. They can move, sense, and control things. They can also follow instructions from humans or computers. Robots are used in many areas, such as making things, growing food, helping people, and having fun. China is a big country that makes and uses a lot of robots. China has more robots than any other country in the world. China wants to use more robots because it has some problems. One problem is that there are not enough workers for some jobs. Another problem is that workers are getting old and tired. A third problem is that some jobs are dangerous or boring. Robots can help solve these problems by doing the work faster, better, and safer. China, as well as every country in the world, uses robots in many industries, which are different kinds of businesses. Some examples of how Chinese robots are dominating every industry. Making things. China is known as the factory of the world. The country makes many things, such as cars, phones, and clothes. Robots can help make these things by welding, assembling, moving, and packing them. Robots can work faster and more accurately than humans. They can also work in places that are too hot, cold, or noisy for humans. Robots can help China make more things and better things. Growing food. Since China is the second most populated country in the world, so the country needs many food items, and the robots will come to play. The country needs food items such as rice, wheat, and vegetables. Robots can help grow food by planting, watering, weeding, and harvesting them. Robots can work longer and more precisely than humans. Robots can help China grow more food and healthier food. China has many people who need help, such as sick, old, or disabled people. Robots can help people by checking, treating, caring, and teaching them. Robots can work more gentle and patiently than humans. Robots are very important for China because the country is trying to become the world's most powerful economy. Robots help mankind to do many things better and easier. They can also help China solve some problems and create some opportunities. But robots are not perfect. They can also cause some problems and challenges. For example, robots can take away some jobs from humans. Robots can also make some mistakes or break down. Robots can also be hacked or attacked by bad people. Therefore, China needs to be careful and responsible when using robots. China needs to balance the good and bad of robots and make sure they are good for everyone. While foreign robots continue to dominate the high-end segment, they are likely to concede ground to Chinese companies in the mass market, where end users tend to look at cost and performance ratios rather than durability. China's adoption of industrial robots, driven by demographic changes, labour shortages, and the need for increased manufacturing efficiency, has positioned it as a global leader in the field. The country's focus on automation and smart manufacturing technologies is set to solidify its dominance further in the coming years. The World Robot Conference (WRC) is the largest robotic exhibition in China. Held annually in Beijing, the WRC is a grand event that showcases the latest advancements in robotics, both from China and around the world. The conference is a testament to China's continued dominance in the industry, with the country accounting for over 50% of global sales of industrial robots. The WRC 2023 was the largest in its history, spanning 7 days instead of the usual 4. The exhibition covered an area of 45,000 square meters and featured more than 160 companies. Over 600 robots were on display, almost 60 of which were presented to the public for the first time. The event attracted more than 300 international experts who came to Beijing after the lifting of travel restrictions. The exhibition was an exciting platform for showcasing the latest advancements in the field of robotics. One of the highlights of the event was the Unitree Robotics Showcase. The company believes that the humanoid robot can start a new industrial revolution, with a range of applications that can be expanded in both industrial and service sectors. The WRC also showcased a great variety of humanoid and bionic robots, which predictably became the main hits of the exposition. These robots, with their incredible capabilities and features, left audiences in awe. The exhibition featured various robots for industrial automation, agriculture, trade and logistics, medicine and other applications. The WRC is not just about showcasing robots. It also serves as a platform for roboticists from all over the world to exchange ideas and discuss the latest trends in the industry. The conference was attended by leading research centres, developers and manufacturers of industrial and service robots, technology parks and industrial unions. The World Robot Conference is a testament to China's leadership in the field of robotics. The country on automation and smart manufacturing technologies is set to solidify its position as a global leader further in the coming years. The WRC is a must-visit event for everyone interested in the field of robotics. Some of the types and models of robots that were displayed at the WRC. 1. EX robots. EX robots are a type of humanoid robot designed for a variety of applications. They are capable of performing complex tasks and can interact with their environment in ways similar to humans. 2. Unitree robotics. Unitree robotics showcase their latest robot dog, the Geo 2. This quadruped robot is designed with advanced AI capabilities and can be used in both industrial and service sectors. 3. Dream. Dream is a company that specializes in the development of cleaning robots. Their robots are designed to automate the process of cleaning, making it more efficient and less labor-intensive. 4. CloudMinds Technology. CloudMinds Technology showcase their cloud-based robots. These robots are designed to operate in the cloud, allowing them to leverage the power of cloud computing for improved performance and capabilities. 5. Fourier Intelligence. Fourier Intelligence displayed their rehabilitation robots. These robots are designed to assist in the rehabilitation of patients, helping them recover from injuries or illness. 6. Ubitech. Ubitech showcased their humanoid robots. These robots are designed to mimic human movements and behaviors, making them ideal for a variety of applications. 7. Xiaomi. Xiaomi, a well-known electronics company, displayed its range of home automation robots. These robots are designed to automate various tasks around the home, making everyday life more convenient. 8. Deep Robotics. Deep Robotics showcased their deep-sea exploration robots. These robots are designed to explore the depths of the ocean, collecting data and performing tasks that would be difficult or impossible for humans. 9. Fab Union. Fab Union showcased their construction robots. These robots are designed to automate various functions in the construction industry, improving efficiency and safety. 10. Beijing Surgery Technology. Beijing Surgery Technology showcased its surgical robots. These robots are designed to assist surgeons in performing complex surgeries, improving precision and patient outcomes. 11. Shanghai Microport Medbot. Shanghai Microport Medbot displayed their medical robots. These robots are designed to assist in various medical procedures, improving precision and reducing the risk of complications. 12. ULS Robotics. ULS Robotics displayed their logistics robots. These robots are designed to automate various tasks in the logistic industry, improving efficiency and accuracy. As the sun sets, Chinese robots are taking over industries, one by one. But how? What's the secret? And what does this mean for the world? Stay tuned as we delve into this thrilling saga of technological dominance. The future is automated. Comment your thoughts on this, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.